How to make a picture, a circle, or other shape in Google Slides. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Slides. And here, insert your picture. Then click on your picture and you will find crop image option at the top. Beside that, click on arrow. Then click on shapes. You will find different shapes. I'll simply select oval as I want circle. After you select the shape, you will find your image turned into that automatically. As you can see, my image was square. Now it's circle. And it was done automatically after I clicked on shape. And this is how to make a picture, a circle, or other shapes in Google Slides. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.